Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how a deal moving through HubSpot automatically syncs to ActiveCampaign with deal stages and email tags updating in real time. Most teams running both platforms spend hours keeping them aligned. Contacts end up in the wrong sequence, stages drift, and marketing fires on the wrong people. This automation solves it. Let me walk you through how it works.
Hi, in this video, I wanted to show you two automations I've done in n8n for HubSpot to ActiveCampaign. The first automation I did was to take a contact that is created in HubSpot and then use that contact information to automatically create a contact in ActiveSync that then goes and adds a deal in HubSpot for that particular contact. It also creates an ActiveSync contact that puts it in a campaign site, the result of which is an email that's sent out to that client. After that, I created a second automation that if the email is opened, moves that contact through the pipeline segment in HubSpot. If it's clicked on, it moves it to a second segment and moves it to a third segment if they reply to the email, and a fourth segment if they reply and create a meeting. All of that is logged into a Google Sheet. If there's any errors, it's actually captured here as well. If that looks interesting to you and could be used in your automation, feel free to reach out to me. I'll show you how it works. Thank you.
So that's the HubSpot to ActiveCampaign sync in action. You'll be amazed how much manual work disappears when the right automation kicks in. Visit n8n.com and schedule a call. We'll scope it, size it, and give you a straight price.